Now all of the massive them know a good sound and I put up an and jump. Yes. Well, don't jump in on the idiot sound. We are talking about them run things. Them running out of things. It name follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. All of them massive gonna run, come follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. What all this sound keep the people lively? Sound a sound, hold pan a hold pan pan. No kind of people you feel all understand what it sound a sound, hold pan a hold pan pan. No kind of people you not chipping hold pan. Now you have some sound, them a talk about them a sound. Can't come out say that a them run town. When you take a stock say them a run them out of town. Them they take a sound, yes we call them clown. Them pick up and come us out of town. We no want no the big sound. We no want no hear that sound. We no want no frying pan sound. We no want no bubble sound. Give we good sound. Because sound a sound, hold pan a hold pan pan. No kind of people you fi try understand. Remember, sound a sound, hold pan a hold pan pan. You no fi jump tree if you no hold pan. When you see the whole pan, you fi fart pan them. If I hear that sound, fart pan them. If I frying pan sound, fart pan them. If I zinc pan sound, fart pan them. White man come and him a fart pan them. Shiny man come and him a fart pan them. Another man come and fart pan them. When the black man come and cut a fart pan them. Them condemn it in. Tell them it in. Tell them no test. Tell them no test. Tell them no test the sound which is the best. Tell them no test. Tell them no test. No test no sound. And if them not ready yet. Hey son, boy, you know that you don't ready yet. And when you come and do but good sound you want test. I know we hold you. We go and bust up your chest. The music where you play, other people not love it. The style where you come with, people not love it. And the bassline where you have people can dance to it. Them want good bassline play dance off of it. Because sound a sound, hold pan a hold pan pan. No kind of people you feel understand. Come now. Sound a sound, hold pan a hold pan pan. Kind of people you feel understand. You feel hold up for your one. You no rate hold pan. Jump and shock out. You no rate think pan. Make a sound go where if it a frying pan. Bassline a play in good pattern. And him a go along like him a say one. Kick him out and make him left out of the session. Jump and shock out to the sound that be done. Jump and shock out to the sound that say one. Let them know you know sound from old pan. Come, sound a sound, old pan a old pan pan. No kind of people you feel understand. Come on, sound a sound, old pan a old pan pan. No kind of people you feel understand. What the England girls, them a jump to the champion. New York girls, them a jump to the champion. Canadian girls, them a jump to the champion. Jamaican girls, them a jump to the champion. Jamaican girl, them no rate to pan. No rate, no sound if it a frying pan. The sound when them rate if it be champion. It a be play good anytime it in a session. It can't bugger like